Hi everyone! In this video I will continue to show you new issues of Coloring Heaven magazines, and this one is dedicated to mermaids and the artist is famous Selina Fenech. Here on the cover we have some information about artist, but probably you already are familiar with her books dedicated to magic, myths, gothic and of course mermaids. The quality of this issue is traditional for the Coloring Haven, so we have pretty decent paper. They are bright white. We have 41-sided pages. They are not perforated. The size is almost 30 by 21 centimeters. We have the name of the picture on the left page and the picture on the right. This is my first book by Selina, and I'm really happy that I got this issue of Coloring magazine and not the regular coloring book, because there is a coloring book dedicated to mermaids by Selina, but as I understood, in the book we have 25 pictures and they are repeated 2 times, and here I have 40 unique illustrations, and for me it's definitely the best. I like how Selina draw faces, and I'm very happy that I got some other pages from Selina in another Coloring Haven magazine. And here we have pages with different detailization. So some pictures will take you less time and some pictures are more detailed. We also have here simple landscapes, some flowers, and of course we have beautiful boys and babies. And this is the only page where I have some questions about her arm and hairs, but I think I will be able to correct it with my pencils. In my previous review of Coloring Haven magazine, I thoroughly tested the paper and I'm happy with the quality of the paper. I tested it with alcohol-based markers, I tested it with watercolors, and both mediums are very nice to color the whole picture or to color just the background. And of course the paper is very nice for any kind of pencils, for oil-based, for wax-based, for softer and for harder pencils. If you want to practice coloring faces and skin, maybe not only the traditional colors of skin, but maybe also blue or green. If you want to practice coloring sky or water, you definitely have to think about purchasing this magazine. I will leave you a link in the info box below, and the best way to purchase them is to go to the publisher's site, and colorists from United Kingdom, from Canada and USA can find these magazines in regular shops. I like that the picture is not very close to the binding, so you will be able to color the whole page. I like how Selina added fishes and lotus flowers here. I think it's pretty difficult to create a book dedicated only to the mermaids and to make all pages different and not boring to color. And this is one of my favorites, the pirate mermaids. Thank you for watching the flip through of this beautiful magazine. I will leave you a link to the publisher's site where you can purchase this magazine with a worldwide delivery in the info box below. And I hope that you will join me in coloring pages by Selina Fenech because I really like the style of this artist. Happy coloring to all of you. Until the next videos. Bye bye.